Hi, my name is Robert Shelley, and I am an attorney that assists physicians in getting better employment contracts without getting taken advantage of by their employer. So, in every physician contract, there will be different ways to terminate it. You can be terminated for cause, meaning you do something wrong, you lose your license, DEA registration, you're uninsurable, you commit a felony. And then every physician contract will also contain what's a without cause termination, also known as no fault, meaning either party can get out of the agreement for any reason with a certain amount of notice to the other party. And so one thing that comes up is, okay, well, what is a fair amount of notice if I do have to give, notice that I'm terminating the agreement without cause? I would say the industry standard amounts are either 60 or 90 days. Those two. I'd say 90% of the contracts, it's either 60 or 90 days. Almost never less than 60. Sometimes if you're in private practice with like a smaller physician-owned group, they'll really try to stretch it out. 120, 180 is probably the maximum that I've seen. So the benefits to the physician for very long notice are pretty small. In every contract, if the employer terminates the agreement and says, "Hey, we don't, we're terminating it without cause, but we do not want you to work here anymore," they still have to pay you for the rest of the term. So if you had a 120-day term, and then they said, we're terminating without cause, please leave, they still have to pay you for 120 days. I think there's vastly more negatives associated with the long notice period. One, once you give notice, your relationship is going to change to the employer. It's going to be fairly awkward because you are leaving, you're moving on somewhere else, and they're still there. Sometimes there's even hostilities between the physicians. So I think the less amount of time that the physician has to stay with the employer, the better. In any physician contract, we try to get either 60 or 90 days. I mean, it really depends upon what the physician wants and what they think is better for them. But in most contracts, that's the standard amount. We've created a cheat sheet in the description below you can download. If you have any questions, please contact my office. Thanks.